I'll make you famous with 1,010 people. It's my son-in-law James, who builds houses for a living, and currently he has built 2 apartments in Poplar Bluff. This is my grandson Carson, who loves riding my 4-wheeler around. This is the hardest worker right here, Emma Lynn.
She's supervising, keeping everybody in line.
So it's getting there. We're almost done. My son-in-law and daughter had to leave. They had a birthday party to go to. But I put a few of those boards on. And then I think I'm going to make a tomato vine out of that stand right there. But it's getting there. And this is off my laundry room. New posts, new boards. I still gotta do some rails, but I'm getting there. And I need to replace a couple of these boards on these steps because they're rotting away. But I'm happy with the results so far. And they brought me over a door. I'm going to use this door to replace that rusted out door. That only cost me a boat. And I told him I'd give him a boat for my grandkids to play around in. It's just a small boat. It's that boat there that I picked up last year along with that paddle boat. It's got a electric trolling motor on it. I'm not for sure whether it works or not. It's foot controlled. Super motor guide. Foot controlled trolling motor. But they'll enjoy playing around in it.